Hey, right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It's Tuesday. It's the 6th of June, 2023. I'm here to bring you a look at the weather for Southeast England for the next 24 hours. So let's just have a little look around the area at the moment. And for most places, it's fairly cloudy. This is the scene this morning at Minster on the Isle of Sheppey. If we just scoot over to Cambridge, much the same again. Lots of lowish level stratocumulus type of cloud. And if we take a look down at Brighton, though, things are brighter, clear skies, and some plenty of sunshine. And here in Folkestone, again, it's a beautiful start to the day, unbroken sunshine. I think it's fair to say that if you're south of the Downs, there is a little bit of a clearance in that cloud. And if we just take a look at the satellite imagery, you can see that picks it up quite well. To the south of the area, the skies are clearer. There is some sunshine around, but near those eastern northern coasts and towards London and the north of London, it is rather cloudy. But the good news is that with time, these clouds will gradually break up and it will be another fine day. We'll have a look at the temperatures. No great shakes at the moment. Fair to say that the warmest temperature I can find at the moment is Belmullet at 13.5 degrees. Other stations between 11.7 and 13.5. But there's a fair few stations down here in the southeast of England that are running at around about 12, possibly 13 degrees. Right, we'll come on to the cloud because that will start to clear. And what I'll do is I'll show you the sequence of how the Met Office wished to play this one out. So this is the scene at 7 o'clock this morning. We just run it through hour by hour. You will notice by 9 o'clock that cloud does start to thin and break. So much so that by midday, it will be a generally fine, dry and sunny day. However, there's always going to be perhaps a little bit more in the way of cloud to the far north of the area and potentially across parts of East Kent. So maybe a little bit of a spoiler going on there. In terms of the symbols, so pretty much what the cloud prediction is likely to be picking up. So this morning, the sunshine is to the north of the area. If it should I say to the south of the area, if we just run that sequence through, you'll see that as the day progresses, more in this way of sunshine starts to develop, so much so that by this afternoon, I think most of us will be sunny, but as I've mentioned, just the risk of a little bit of cloud towards those eastern coasts. Right, we'll come on to the temperatures today. These are your maximum temperatures peaking at around about 4 o'clock this afternoon. You see that towards the London area, you're up at 19 degrees, down towards Woking in Surrey, 18s and 19s. Probably the hottest spot today, somewhere down near the south coast. Bognor Regis, 20 degrees could be yours, possibly a cheeky 21. But look towards the eastern part of the region. 14s and 15s are probably the best you'll get on offer on account of that continued northeasterly breeze that will be blowing in moderate to fresh again. It's been blowing like that for quite some time now, and today is no exception. So you'll see here they're looking at 15, 16, 17 mile an hour winds. These are steady winds, so this is a force 4 to 5 on the eastern parts of those coasts, but towards London and towards the west of the region, those breezes are lighter, blowing in at around about 8, 9 miles an hour. So a force 2 to 3. So yeah, afternoon sunshine, all very pleasant. Quick look at your overnight temperatures before we draw all this to a close. No frost-related problems. We've gone past all of that now. Lowest temperatures tonight, 11 degrees across parts of the windier parts of Kent. A little bit further west, temperatures falling no lower than 9 and 10. So yeah, all in all, the summary is clouds slowly breaking this morning, sunny spells developing this afternoon. Always warmest towards the west of the region. Those cool northeasterly breezes are continuing to blow on those coasts. Little look forward to the weekend suggests that yes, the warm up is still on the way. Could get really quite warm, potentially hot, but there is the risk of some thundery showers developing. And I'll be coming on to that in more detail probably in tomorrow morning's forecast. So that's it. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching. Look after yourselves